Ever felt frustrated navigating the traditional banking system? A maze of fees, limited features, and a feeling you're just another number? Well, that's where fintech companies like Mamopay come in. They're shaking things up, offering innovative solutions for managing your money. But who's the brain behind Mamopay? Who's steering the ship towards a more accessible and user-friendly financial future? That's the question we're tackling today. So, buckle up, grab your virtual wallets, and let's dive into the world of Mamopay and meet the person at the helm. The rise of fintech. Fintech, short for financial technology, is rapidly transforming the way we handle our finances. It's a wave of innovation offering a refreshing alternative to the sometimes clunky and impersonal traditional banking system. From mobile banking apps to peer-to-peer payments, fintech is all about convenience, accessibility, and putting you in control of your money. One fintech company making waves in the Middle East is Mamopay. Founded in 2019, they're on a mission to simplify financial services and empower both businesses and consumers. But with so many fintech players out there, what makes Mamopay stand out? Mamopay's mission and vision. Mamopay's story starts with a simple observation: everyday banking can be a real hassle. Asim Janjua and Imad Garazeddine, the founders of Mamopay, both with extensive experience in tech, saw an opportunity to bridge the gap between what traditional banks offered and what people actually needed. Their vision? To create a user-friendly platform that streamlines financial processes, promotes financial independence, and caters to the specific needs of the Middle Eastern market. Mamopay focuses on offering a seamless experience for businesses and consumers alike, with features like mobile payments, expense management tools, and simplified international transactions. Unveiling the leader, Imad Garazeddine. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The person leading the charge at Mamopay is Imad Garazeddine, the company's CEO. Imad brings a wealth of experience to the table. Before co-founding Mamopay, he spent over a decade at Google, honing his skills in data management and integration. This tech background is evident in Mamopay's focus on innovative solutions. Imad's leadership is crucial in navigating the ever-evolving fintech landscape and ensuring Mamopay stays at the forefront of financial technology. Beyond the CEO, the Mamopay team. Of course, Imad isn't a lone wolf. He's backed by a talented team of developers, designers, and financial experts all working towards the same goal: revolutionizing how people manage their money in the Middle East. The future of Mamopay. Mamopay is still a young company, but they've already made significant strides in the fintech space. With a strong leadership team and a clear vision, they're poised for continued growth. We can expect to see Mamopay expanding its features, attracting new users, and further simplifying the financial lives of people across the Middle East. So, there you have it. Imad Garazeddine, the CEO of Mamopay, is the driving force behind this innovative fintech company. With his leadership and a dedicated team by his side, Mamopay is well on its way to making a real difference in the financial landscape of the Middle East. Call to action. If you're curious to learn more about Mamopay and how they can help streamline your finances, be sure to check out their website and social media channels. Thanks for watching. We hope this video shed some light on the leadership behind Mamopay. If you enjoyed this content, hit that like button and subscribe for more dives into the fascinating world of fintech. Until next time.